speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Opinion for FANIC ICT Academy. You get to know that FANIC ICT Academy is one of the divisions of FANIC Global Nigeria Limited. We are being incorporated and we are a company that have many range of services and products. Alright, in this tutorial, we are going to learn more things about Microsoft Excel. Alright, you need to know what is Microsoft Excel. I believe before you begin to know how to type into Microsoft Excel, you should be able to know the meaning. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet package in the Microsoft Office system. It's one of the application that you're going to find whenever you open a Microsoft Office folder in your computer. You can use Excel to create and format workbooks. A collection of spreadsheets is workbook. When a spreadsheet is being compiled together, we call it a workbook. We're going to see more of it. So let's get started. How can you open Microsoft Excel? There are two ways whereby you can open Microsoft Excel in your computer. You can come to your search bar below in your taskbar. You can click on your search bar and then type Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel, or you can just type Excel instead of typing the long name. You can just type Excel. Can you see now? It has appeared here. Can Once you have typed it, you can now double click. You click twice, then it will start opening. Can you see it has opened? Then another way to open Microsoft Excel is by you going to your start menu. If you are using Windows 10, this is Windows 10. So any window that you are using, if you are using Windows 7, you can click on your start menu and click on all programs. But if you are using Windows 10, once you click on your start menu here, all your programs should be listed out. So once you have seen it here, like I've told you, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, all these are one of all these are found in Microsoft Office folder. So you can just scroll down and then look out for Microsoft Office folder. This is my Microsoft Office folder. If you can see, I have two here. One of the reasons I'm going to explain more, I have two here. So I can open any of them. If I click on this arrow here, you're going to see lots of packages that are being produced by Microsoft Office. So but this version is 2007, which the other version is 2013. So I always use the higher versions. So I'm going to scroll down and look out for Microsoft Excel. Let's look out for Microsoft Excel. You can click here and pull it up. This is Microsoft Excel 2013. You can now double click it. Can you see? That is another way to open Microsoft Excel. Another way to open Microsoft Excel, that if the application is in your desktop background, maybe I'm seeing it this way, you can double click on it or you right click. For example, let me use this thing as an example. Let me use this folder as an example, but this is not a Microsoft Excel, this is a Word. Let me just use it. If this is a Microsoft Excel, you can just right click on it and then click on open, then it will open. That is another way to open Microsoft Excel. Alright, let me maximize this. Alright, this is the interface of Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, this part you able to see most of my recent files. This part you're going to able to see the templates. These are the templates which enables us to work effectively and also makes our work easier. But as a beginner, I won't just advise you to just jump into Microsoft Excel and start using templates. You need to know the basic, how it's being worked, the fundamental basis of Microsoft Excel, which will help you to upgrade to the advanced level of Microsoft Excel. So once you open Microsoft Excel, the next thing to do is to click on blank workbook. Click on blank workbook and it opens the main interface of Microsoft Excel. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you more about this interface. Alright.